Hello there, something different for today. We're camper van-less. We've loaned our bus out to our son and he's gone down to sunny Cornwall. So we've jumped in our little sporty car.
And we've come to sunny Leamington Spa.
Yeah.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better? If I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter?
E.T. phone home.
Is it maybe because
I've never seen a co-op as nice as that one.
got where I was, and suddenly you told me, baby,
Just making our way down to the park where apparently the squirrels eat out of your hands. Yeah, it's over this way I think. Just watch we don't get run over on the way.
one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me
So we've just took a walk into Jeffson Gardens in Royal Leamington Spa. This is a lovely place as well. The views are pretty spectacular. I'll let you have a look.
if I told you that I don't know where I'm going, don't know what to say, but I go without knowing. If I told you that I don't know what to believe in, don't know how to pray, but I pray anyway.
I think this one's a pretty old tree.
If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too. But you're the only one for me, and I'm the only one for you. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it.
How about that for a gardening view? That looks beautiful.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper.
Well, another little interesting bridge we found in the park in Leamington. It's full of surprises, that's for sure. Beautiful. Well, we was hoping to go into the glass house today, and have a look at this indoor plantation. It's closed because there's a private wedding on next door. It's a real shame. Well, we came in search of squirrels and we didn't find any.
Loads of pigeons.
Yeah, lots of pigeons. But what an interesting park, right in the middle of Leamington Spa. There's just people just lazing around. So many interesting things to see.
It's like a mini version of Stratford.
Yeah, a mini Stratford, yeah. But yeah, it's a little bit better than our hometown park, that's for sure.
Squirrel.
Oh yeah, finally, we've seen a squirrel just there in the distance. Not sure you can see it on the camera, but we're going to head over and see what we can find. Well, it looked like the squirrel got away, but what I just did come across is these massive bird feeders. I mean, they like torpedoes. And they obviously put them in the middle of the water so the squirrels can't pinch them. I think the best thing to do is come down here late in the evening and do some squirrel feeding, but we're a little bit too far from home. I do believe that they eat out of your hand, no problem at all. So let's see if we find any more. Did you find any, Alison?
No, haven't seen none. Gonna run off.
Yeah, just where?
Come here. Ears sticking up. You see it? It's moving, look.
Alison spotted one above me somewhere in the tree.
Look, can you see it?
But I can't
It's
see
looking.
it.
Come here, this way.
Oh.
Look, it's moving. Its head's moving. Can you see it?
No,
I can still see it.
I think she's having me on.
No, look. It's just moving.
Ah, yeah, I can see it now. Let's see if it'll let us zoom in. It's absolutely fantastic how they make all these little artifacts from these old rotten trees. This is a lovely little acorn we've made. I bet there's some hours gone into that. Just look at all these amazing buildings. I mean, you've got a Londis, Bernardo's, charity shop, Subway, the barber shop, all in these amazing big old buildings. I wonder what it was like in back in Victorian time. And look at this church. Well, that was Royal Leamington Spa. We didn't
Lovely
really
place.
plan it. Yeah, it's a beautiful place. It must be so expensive here to live. I mean, apartments are amazing. Houses, I don't even think there's houses, just apartments. They're like flats. Anyway, we're going to try and take you somewhere else in a minute. We're not quite sure where yet, but we're going to have a drive round as we go home.
Put the roof down.
Yeah,
cool
roof
off, 'cause
down.
It's really hot.
There's our little whizzer, just there.
It's a bit warm.
We are really missing our motorhome though. I'd rather drive that than drive around in a car all day. Anyway,
Drove round all day.
well, no, we haven't drove around all
Walked.
day. We've walked. Anyway, we'll catch you in a bit. Bye bye. Oh, that's better.
Breeze.
It was boiling in here. Wow, that's a bit of a disappointment. That was Chessington Windmill. I last come here about 6 months ago and the sails were there. Some unknown reason. Sails have disappeared, so I don't know if they've been blown off, got any maintenance. I have absolutely no idea. I do know that it's been rebuilt about 4 times in its last 200 years. So anyway, there will be some drone shots. I will give you a picture just up there of what it looked like when I come for sunset, when there were actual sails on there. But what a shame. Come a good drive out from here and it's not in functionality. Anyway, see you soon. Bye bye.
I saw the flashes in the dark, colors on the wall, right against the monochrome, where I felt so small. I drew the curtains up, pulled away the blinds.